Hi everybody, in EDU 131, Child, Family, and Community Relations. I wanted to take a minute to orient you a little bit to the start of the class and particularly to Module 1. So on the screen in front of you, you'll see the page that you should see when you click onto our class in Moodle. And I wanted to show I did reorder things a little bit. Announcements are now up on top, followed by the course syllabus and the course schedule. I felt like those were the most important things, so I put them right up there on the top. One of the things that I wanted to point out about the course schedule is that gives you the overview of the entire semester with all due dates and all assignments on it. So if you're ever starting to feel lost or can't figure out how the assignments that you're currently working on fits into the whole big scheme of the course, that should help orient you if you look at that course schedule. Again, that's right here. Alright, so let's jump right to Module 1, which is the module you should be working on now. Every module in this class is set up the same way, where you'll see a task list as the first item. When you click on the task list, it shows you all the things that you should be doing for this module. So you'll see here in Module 1 that you should be reading the materials and Chapter 1 in your text, materials and Chapter 2 in your text, same for Chapter 3, same for Chapter 4, and then you should look in the folder that's called Parent Interview Assignment Overview. So that's what you should be reading. And then after that, what is it that you need to do to submit work? Well, you have the parent interview due, and there's the due date and the points. It's due on the 24th, which happens to be tomorrow from the time I'm making this video. You have Module 1 Journal, which is due the 31st. And then the Chapter 1 through 4, Test 1, will open on 2/7 and it'll be open until 2/10. So this should give you some idea of what to do in this particular module. So the next thing I want to show you is that where all that is. So again, if we come back to our course, scroll down into Module 1, there's your Chapter 1 resources. It's a folder, so when you click on it, it opens. You'll see there's a little video, The Danger of a Single Story, that you can watch. You click on that document, it has the link to the video. There's the Chapter 1 PowerPoint and overview and objectives. These are not mandatory, the Chapter 1 overview objectives and Chapter 1 PowerPoint. They're just to help guide you through the chapter if you need a little something to help with summarizing and guiding the chapter. But definitely, if you do better reading, maybe highlighting or making notes or something like that, then do what works best for you and your learning style. The other items, though, the videos, I would like you to watch those when I put links to them in there. So again, you have one for Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, and Chapter 4. Here's that parent interview assignment. When you click on that, there's the document that you can open that will go over the assignment right there. So it gives some directions. For this one in particular, it tells you that, literally tells you what to say, thank them, tell them what to expect, ask them some background information, and then ask them questions. And then you're going to add 3 of your own questions. And after you've concluded the interview, you're going to do a short paragraph or 2 and answer the questions here at the bottom of the document in that paragraph or 2. So the assignments are always kind of listed. You can see it's very detailed to hope that you understand the assignment. So for this one, you're going to interview a parent, and it should be somebody that's not related to you. I encourage you to find somebody different than you. So either a different gender or a different race or a different religion or a different socioeconomic status. Something different from you so you get a new perspective. Again, you will just follow right along through here, asking them questions. You could open this document and type your answers right in to save you some work for sure. Make sure you put your name on it though. And then you're going to write a little bit, and here at the end it tells you what you need to do. So the final part is for you to write a summary of the interview. Discuss how you feel the interview went and relate how the responses you received will assist you in your coming study of the child in relation to the family and community and your role as a teacher. So that very simple again, and then you will submit it here in Moodle. I'll show you now where to do that. what's your schedule? Okay, so back here in our course, you'll see right there in Module 1 the parent interview assignment, and you'll click on that, and that's where you submit your Word document. The Module 1 journal is right here, and when you click on this, you'll see here is the question, and then you click right here, Start or Edit My Journal Entry, and you again just start right there typing in that box. Be sure to answer all of the questions that are asked and address that. And I will be giving you feedback on that, so you will be able to see real specific. And the journal is only seen by you and me, so your classmates cannot see your journal entries. I did want to make sure you understood that. And the test is not up yet, so you can't see it yet, but it will be right here under Module 1 Journal, and it'll have the Chapter 1 through 4 test questions that you'll take right there. Once we're all done with Module 1, you'll move right on to Module 2, and you'll notice a very, very similar look. You have your task list. You have the chapters set up. There's a teacher interview assignment in this one, so there it is. There's the teacher interview where you hand it in. There's the journal. And then you're going to have the midterm, which again is hidden right now until we get closer to the date. I hope this helps give you a little overview of the course and some better understanding of how the course is set up here in Moodle. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to call me or email me or stop by and see me. I look forward to working with you this semester. Bye for now.